How to crochet for complete beginners. You're going to need yarn and a crochet hook. I have a 5.5mm one because that's what matches up with my yarn. To start, you're going to need to create a slip knot, which is basically putting your pointer finger through the yarn, twisting it, and then putting your thumb through the loop and pulling the tail end of the yarn. This will create an opening for your crochet hook. So put the hook in and pull the tail of the yarn tight. Next, we need to learn how to hold the yarn. So what I do is I wrap my pinky and then my pointer finger around and hold the tail of the yarn, and I do this like I'm cutting wood. To chain, I wrap the hook over, under, and through the loop. Again, that's over, under, and pull through. And if it seems hard to get the yarn through the loop, that might be because it is too tight. So try to hold your yarn a little looser. A key to crocheting is practice, so make sure to practice chaining until you feel comfortable with it. And once you feel comfortable with chaining, we can start our next round of stitches. You're going to find the previous loop that you chained, and you are going to put your crochet hook through that chain. You're going to pull the yarn over through that one chain, so you're going to have 2 loops on your chain, and then you're going to pull over again through those 2 loops so you have 1 left. Watch that again if you need to, but do it until the end of the row. At the end of the row, you're always going to chain 1 and turn your work. The stitch I chose to do was a single crochet, but there are many other stitches that you can practice and experiment with. And there are probably much better tutorials on YouTube of how to crochet, but please let me know if this one was helpful.